Distilled water machine, depending upon process of separation and purification water, based on evaporation and condensation, to remove heavy metals, salts, and microorganisms. Distilled water machine, initiate by heat water to boiling point, to obtain water vapor, and convert condensed water vapor into water, and collect products distilled water into container for using, as mentioned in next slide. During work with distilled water machine, must ensure suitable electricity supply, and be sure to look for cracks in every glassware, and carry out regular cleaning, and routine maintenance processes. So, distilled water machine, consider simple operation machine, with relatively cheap, and produce high purity water, by remove from water, minerals, heavy metals, salts, and microorganisms. On the other hand, distilled water machine, consume huge amount of energy, and time consuming, due to slow processing speed, which may not be appropriate for large-scale water use. Therefore, distilled water machine, use in laboratory scales, and pharmaceutical industries, and industrial scales, and other purposes. On the other side, deionized water machine, is a kind of high-purity water machine, remove dissolved ionic impurities from water, through electrical charged resin, to produce equal hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions in water. So, deionized water machine, initiate by filter contamination from water, in pre-treatment process, and remove undesirable ion from water, in ion exchange process, and ensure high purity level in produced water, in post-treatment process, and ensure stable high purity water for long time, in circulation process, as mentioned in next slide. Therefore, during work with deionized water machine, must perform regular maintenance, to keep system running efficiently, and routine clean containers and filters, to ensure optimal performance, and disinfect storage tank, to prevent bacterial growth. Consequently, deionized water machine, produce great solvent dilutes, with low levels of conductivity, with non-corrosive. On the other hand, deionized water machine, consume huge amount of energy, and time consuming, due to slow processing speed, which may not be appropriate for large-scale water use. Finally, deionized water machine, use in laboratory scales, and pharmaceutical industries, and industrial scales, and other purposes.